Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to extract variables from a data set. So if you are interested in maybe variables which are within a bigger data set and you want to extract those variables so that it will be easy for you to do your analysis, that's how you go about it. So I'm going to use this data set. This is a data set from Ghana Multiple Indicator Cluster Survey. That's the children's file, and inside the file these are a lot of variables over here. So you have almost about 463 variables, but you may be interested in maybe 5, 10, or 6 variables from this data set, right? So what you have to do is that you have to first identify the variables you are interested in, and the most important thing of it all is to identify the number where it falls. So for example, let's say I'm interested in this variable area, which has 2 categories, urban and rural. That means that area of residence. Then I'm also interested in the region of residence and also the sex of the child. And let me add this one, highest level of education attended, right? So I'm interested in these 4 variables, and these 4 variables falls within the 414 variable. Is the 414 variable within the data frame. So what I do is that first you go to file, then you go to save as. It's a simple procedure. Then you come to variables. So this dialog box will open for you, and what you have in this dialog box is the keep, the name, label, and order. So this order simply means the order in which the variables falls. So remember that I said you should first keep in mind the number or the variable number. So let me go back. So for example, if you take area, you see that area falls under 141 and region falls under 156. So I'm interested in this variable 141 up to 1417. So you come to file, you come to save as variable, and these are your variables. So this keep simply means the variables we want to keep in the new data set we want to create. Because this is the old data set we want to extract from it, all the variables have been selected. So then you drop all of it, then you come to order 414. So 414 is here. You can see that 414 is the area, 415 is the region, 416 is the sex, and the highest level of education is 417. So you select, you tick it, you click on it, and it will take. We take them after selecting your variable. So because I'm interested in these 4 variables, then I go to continue. Now I have to save this variable to create a new data set. So let me save it as new. So I've saved it as new. So I type in new, then I click on save. So if you click on save, it will save in the data file over here, this data file here. So let me say I want to save it on the desktop, on my desktop. So I click on desktop, then I save. So it will save for me on my desktop, right? So if I close this one, and I go to my desktop, you can see that I have a new data file here called new, right? So I can open from here, or I can come back here and also go back to file, then go to open, then go to data, then desktop, because I save it on desktop, so the desktop has already opened. So I click on the file, then I click on open. So now the new data set has opened for me, but in this situation I have only 4 variables which I'm interested in, and it has opened for me. So over here, because I have 4 variables, it will be easy for me to do my analysis. This is a level of education. So level of education is not nominal, it's ordinal. So you make sure you do those checks, but for the rest are nominal variables. So I can check my proportions over here, right? So I run the frequencies, then I'll get my proportions over here. So the percentages, I'll be able to get the percentages of sex and the males and females percentages of region and everything. So you can run your statistics from here, and this will be simple for you to do. I hope this one helps. Thank you, and bye bye.